Hello everyone, a quick reminder on this. So if you feel like your TikTok accounts is Shadowban or you are not getting enough engagement, enough awareness you opt for, so here's a quick thing, a quick tips you can follow. So here's what to do. First off, you need to you need to look for TikTok Studio on your profile. So as you can see, I have over 1,000 followers on my page, and most of my posts struggling to get to 100, struggling to get to 100 views. So here's what to do. Head on to your profile, look for TikTok Studio. Right from there, click on analytics. Good. So as you can see, I only have a few engagements. So let's head back. You see this settings icon at the right top corner, so click on it. Then below it you see something, you see reports, so click on reports. Then you can, but before you head on here, make sure you screenshot most of your videos, your posts that doesn't have enough engagement, because this is where you're going to what you're gonna use, to file the report. So the next thing you want to do is attach those screenshots. So let's do this. So I only screenshot 3, so attach the screenshots. So hold on, let it load. So the next thing I want to do is using these prompts I generated. So you can screenshot it and write it down or something else. If you need it, you can DM me through the comment section. So 1 second. What is it? Okay, so it's doing. So let's wait for it to load. Sorry for the background noise. It keeps loading. So the next thing I want to do is attaching the, sorry, we have already attached it. So these prompts, I'm coming. Let me delete this. So below the best regrets, what you're gonna put there is your handle, your TikTok username. So I'll just go with Medoli. Then so let's read this. Let's take a look at this together. So it goes like this. Hello TikTok support team. I hope this message meets you well. My name is, you put your name there. So my name is Ahmed. I'm gonna put Ahmed. And I currently have over the amount of followers you have on your page. You put it there. I currently have over 1,600 followers on my TikTok account. I've been putting in a lot of effort to create engaging content, but recently my video have been struggling to gain reach. Most of my posts average around 200 to 100 views, despite being active and consistent. So I truly enjoy using TikTok and want to continue growing, but as a creator, it can be discouraging to put in so much effort without visibility. So I kindly request your assistance in reviewing my account and helping me understand if there is any issue affecting my reach. So have attached some screenshots of my posts to give a better picture. Your support will mean a lot, and it will help me stay motivated to keep creating the TikTok community. So thanks for your time and consideration. Best regards, your username. So the next thing I want to do is click on done, then submit it. So let's wait for it to load. I think there's a time frame for the response time, some of that. Why does it keep loading? Okay, here we go. So your ticket is your support ticket is being opened. So they're gonna reply within, I think, maybe 24 hours or something like that. So I will let you guys know on my next video if they have given me what's it called, whatever. So see you in the next one.